Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to copy DVD to computer. Firstly, open DVD Fab or download it first of course. Then open the DVD Fab software, copy on your Windows or Mac computer. After you do, select the copy module. Then choose the main movie, copy mode or another if preferred. Insert your DVD into the computer's optical drive and DVD Fab will automatically load it. You can choose the copy mode options like full disk, main movie, customize, split or merge. Now, you have to click advanced settings to further customize. Options include output, copying, removing and navigation. Now, choose the titles, audio tracks and subtitles you want to include in the copy and select your output format by clicking on the ISO or folder icon. Click Start to begin copying the DVD in your computer. And once completed, you'll have a copy of your DVD saved as a DVD folder or ISO image file. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.